In this presentation, we will take a look at multiple choice questions related to governmental accounting, going through those questions and then practicing test-taking skills with them. First question, the cornerstone of all financial reporting in government per GASB is A, comparability, B, stewardship, C, accountability, or D, transparency. Let's go through this again using the process of elimination. The cornerstone of all financial reporting in government per GASB. As we go through these, they all look like reasonable goals for financial statements. So if we have comparability, we've seen that in terms of financial accounting, we would want to be able to compare the financial statements. Stewardship, we want to make sure that the government is taking care of their responsibilities in terms of taking care of the assets. Accountability, we want to have accountability for the governmental accounting, and then transparency seems kind of like another word for basically accountability. However, the cornerstone is something that's referred to specifically within GATSB, and the cornerstone is accountability. So this accountability is going to be the cornerstone. So if you hear the emphasis type of word from GATSB, then we have accountability. Final answer. The cornerstone of all financial reporting in government per GASB is C, accountability. Next question. Which is considered a primary user of a state or local government's external financial statements? Either A, lobbyists, B, managers and administrators, C, employees, or D, citizens. Let's go through this again with the process of elimination. Which is considered a primary user of a state or local government's external financial statements? A, lobbyists. They might use them, but I don't think that's the one we're looking for. B says managers and administrators. Those would be like internal users, as would be employees, versus the citizens, which you would think would be kind of the external users. Like for-profit accounting, we're typically geared towards those external users, in this case being the citizens. So it doesn't look like it's the internal managers or the employees. We're really geared towards D, final answer, citizens. Which is considered a primary user of a state or local government's external financial statements? D, citizens. Next question. A minimum requirement for general purpose external financial reporting. A, charts and graphs. B, management's discussion and analysis. That's an MD and A. C, combining and individual fund statements. And D, statistical information. So once again, let's go through this again with the process of elimination. A minimum requirement for general purpose external financial reporting. So this is one of the minimum requirements for the reporting. A, charts and graphs. So I'll keep that one for now. B says the management's discussion and analysis. That one's kind of a key one. It should basically ring bells in that one as something that's going to be important for the reporting, even within the minimum requirements. So I would think that one's standing out at the point. C says combining and individual fund statements. So I would think B would be better than that one. And then D says statistical information. And that's going to be kind of added information. It doesn't sound like the minimum kind of requirement. So I don't think that's it. And between A and B, if we're talking about a minimum requirement for general purpose external financial reporting, I think B is going to be our final answer. Management's discussion and analysis, MD and A. So final answer, a minimum requirement for general purpose external financial reporting. B, management's discussion and analysis, the MD and A.